We're going to learn 5-finger position today. 5-finger position for the right hand is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for the left hand 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Before we play on the piano, we're going to sing first. We need these two hands to be up high and we'll sing the numbers. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, right hand first. Open, shut them, open, shut them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. Open, shut them, open, shut them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. Good. Now left hand. Ready? Go. Open, shut them, open, shut them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. Open, shut them, open, shut them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. Good job. Now we're gonna put this on the piano. Find the two black keys. Two black keys right here. And we go slide down to the left and pinky on the left, first on the right hand. We're gonna play on the piano this time. So right hand first, set, ready, go. Open, shut them, open, shut them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. Open, shut them, open, shut them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. Good job. Now left hand, ready, go. Open,